Today, I'm going to show you how to set up the default columns for your forecasting deal table in your CRM. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a cleaner, more efficient workspace, perfectly tuned to display only the deal data you care about most, making it way easier to focus, analyze, and make smart decisions for your team. Let's jump right into it, starting from the very beginning. First, you'll want to access your CRM's settings. Go ahead and log into your account and look for that familiar gear icon up in your top navigation bar. This is usually sitting in the top right corner of your screen. Think of it as the control room for all your back-end tweaks. A quick tip: if you're ever unsure about where settings live in a new app, searching for a gear icon is almost always a safe bet. Once you've opened the settings, your next stop is the forecast section. In the settings menu, look over to the left-hand sidebar. It's kind of like your map for finding different system objects. Find and click Objects and then select Forecast. This is the area where you can control what's visible and how your forecasting tables behave. If you work with sales teams or pipelines, you know how vital it is to have the right data front and center. This is where you make that happen. Now, let's locate the column editor. On the Setup tab, you'll see an option that says Choose Default Columns for the Forecasting Deal Table. Go ahead and click that. You're now in the space where all the real customization magic happens. This part is similar to rearranging apps on your phone or picking which stats appear on your dashboard, setting things up to suit the way you work best. Here's where you get to customize your columns to really streamline your forecasting deal table. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel listing all the available deal properties. These are the fields you could display, like deal amount, close date, stage, and owner. To add a property you want the table to show, simply drag it from the left panel into the Selected Columns area, or use the provided buttons. If you're not sure exactly which properties you need, think about what information you check most when reviewing deals. For example, if you're always sorting by stage, make sure Stage is included. If you find some columns that aren't useful to your process, or if there's too much clutter, you can easily remove them by clicking the little X right next to the unwanted column in the Selected Columns area. Don't worry if you change your mind. You can come back and re-add things anytime. Sometimes less is more, and having just a few key columns can make life much easier. You can also reorder the columns to fit your workflow. Just drag and drop the columns within the Selected Columns section until they're exactly where you want them. It's a bit like arranging papers on your desk. Put the most important info where your eyes naturally go. For instance, if forecast amount is what you check first, move it to the top. Once your columns are organized just how you like, make sure to hit the Save button to lock in your changes. This might take a few moments, so don't stress if there's a slight lag. The next time you open your forecasting deal table, you'll see your new layout, all set up to help you work smarter. And that's it. You've just made your CRM look and feel way more organized. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need more help custom tailoring your forecast, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical CRM tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your deals on track.